the winners. Here will let ahead that is to say that the results, the authentic, all the written, bold. Eventually, I'm just an MC. I am not here to dictate the winners. We know that you so that no one goes in there, you go back and say to the DJ, make my microphone loud so they can hear me. My mic is recorded loud, though. The first group, no one also blessing the Chuku Potabo Zubo, Chuku Chiamaka Potabo Zubo, or a joy Potabo Zubo, not beside that, no. He queue you up, I forget. That will never last for the money. I am well, Joy, Iwule, Potabo Zubo. As Nochie Josephine, Potabo Zubo, Yabo, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Get it first. Get it blessing of the Chubu. Get blessing. Get Chubu Chiamaka. Get blessing first. Yeah, now. Don't you? Get or a joy. Get Iwe joy. As I not cheer Josephine or here, follow me. Let me receive their prizes for them. Igwe, before you are the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. First, Bunka. First, 50,000 naira from His Royal Highness. Second, were 30,000 naira for Ima second. Name boss on get that. The money I him that he was second. Only I want me him. We go with him and avoid. We go with his sorrow. So we have a that first person when you are sorrow, definitely. So, and you get your own money. It can enable a poor. Then third, fourth, and fifth. Am I right? Why poor? I am working and I am better to and that will be end of it. The information they reach him now, but the local government chairman is here, but I will recognize him after now. Urakana Bratala Iwe, and Cabo the third, only 20,000 naira from Iwe, Iahimel, where one third, the Shiria. Fourth. Okay, bigger fourth. I think all mistake from the organizers to have called you. So, thank you. Next year, my first, my second, my third. Fourth, consolation prize, other on our list. Thank you very much. God bless you. The fifth. Thank you. God bless you. Consolation.